awfully big legs. I don't know if you can sit that close.
You might have to take a scooch back.
All right.
I thought it was about soldiers. Maybe it's about dinosaurs.
Those are all good guesses, but we're going to learn about, not today. We're going to learn about materials, matter, and you. So does anybody have a guess about what materials are?
Shrink? I gotta go to the
Drinks? A drink could be a material.
No, shrink.
Shrink?
Shrink.
String. String, yes. String is a material.
Thread.
What do you think matter is?
Thread.
Thread is one too.
Thread. That's do you know how
Oh,
old Fred
yes.
is?
Yes,
Do you
it
know
is.
how old Fred is?
I don't know how old Fred is.
I'm 6.
He's 6? Congratulations. That's a good age to be. All right, so let's get started on this story.
Let's get this. I saw your dad.
So, a material world. Stone, metal, paper, plastic. These are different materials. Everything around you is made of some kind of material. A marble is made of glass, and this book is made of paper. How many different materials can you see in this picture?
There's a bird.
There is a bird. Sand and the box are all material.
And the bucket.
Book.
And the bucket.
A bucket is a material too.
And a
book.
slide.
A slide.
And
A shirt.
and
Pants. And a
sandbox.
bird. All those are materials. Very good.
Sandbox.
Buddy?
Where's my rocket? Yellow. I see one.
Right? Those, he can be a material too. So, how to describe materials. Different materials have different shapes, colors, and size. A plum is round, purple, and small.
I see mine.
That is a monkey. A banana is long, yellow, and bigger than a plum. You can use your senses. All right, guys, we're going to have to be quiet for a second, okay? You can use your senses of sight, touch, and smell, and even taste to describe materials. How would you compare a strawberry to a pineapple? So what does a strawberry look like?
A strawberry looks like a steep. I cannot see. I see.
You see?
But I cannot.
So, there are the strawberries. What color are the strawberries?
Red.
Yes, they're red.
I see them.
And what color is the pineapple?
Yellow.
Yellow. So you'd be
I see them.
using...
No, I see them. But I saw them first.
Very good. You guys can both see them at the same time. All right.
I also
So which one's bigger, the strawberries or the pineapple?
pineapple.
The pineapple. The pineapple is much bigger than the strawberries.
Me too.
There you go. Thank you guys.
I do.
Very helpful.
I see banana.
Please have a seat. All right.
You're.
So,
I see.
some materials you guys can touch.
I see horse and a cow. I see.
Right. Those are all pictures. in there.
sheep. I see sheep. I see sheep too.
All right. Wait. You guys can't be quiet for right now. I'm not going to be able to finish the story. Okay? So, different materials have different textures. Texture is the way something feels when you touch it. A rabbit's fur feels soft. A wood fence feels hard. Soft, hard, rough, smooth, and prickly all describe textures. What kind of textures do these objects and creatures in this farmyard have? So,
I want to see the chickens.
you want to see the chickens?
I want to see the horse.
So, if you had to feel the floor, how would you describe the floor? So everybody just take your hand and rub it back on the floor.
Feel the floor, buddy.
So what do you guys think that it feels hard and it feels soft? How can it feel both hard and soft at the same time?
It has a carpet over it.
It does have a carpet over it. Very good. Yes?
I like this sheep.
The sheep is cute. He's very happy.
I like the sheep. I like Rooster. No,
Yep.
I like Rooster and chicken. I like the dinosaur.
Oh, there's no dinosaur in here. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
So, the mass of materials. Does anybody know what mass is?
Like mecha. Like dirt all over the place.
That's a mess, but this is mass.
Mass is like when you eat food and stuff.
That's a pretty good guess. Mass is the amount of a matter in a material.
Oh.
Alright? So all materials, like these vegetables, have mass. Mass is the amount of stuff in an object. An object's mass can change when its size changes. As you grow, your mass will increase. So, in this picture, which dog has more mass? Is it this dog or this dog? Which one do you think has more mass? That one, right, the yellow dog.
I want my chair back.
So, when a leaf falls into a pond,
I see a bird.
you do see a bird, falls onto a pond, it floats. But if you throw a stone, it sinks. Some materials float and others sink. The shape of an object can make a difference. A ball of clay will sink, but if you shape it into a boat, it will float. So why do you think an object would float? Any ideas? Buddy?
The water is moving.
The water's moving, that could help. What else?
Because
Why do you think an object would sink?
it's heavy.
Yes, because it's heavier, it might sink.
But that is a lot tan. But if you put ice in the water will turn into ice.
If it's cold, it will. What happens to ice though? Does it sink or float? You sure?
Float.
It floats. Ice stays right on the top of the water.
And when you step on it, it breaks.
It does. Or if it doesn't break, you slip all over the place. So, using materials. Certain materials can be used to make certain objects.
Look at that dog.
Glass is a good material for windows. It is clear, so you can see through it. Metal, cloth, and rubber are useful for other things. So look at this picture. What are the objects made of, and why are those materials good for that object?
Hey, look at that dog.
He is. That dog has some skills. He can ride a unicycle. So what's an object you see, buddy? Okay. What about just one object? All right, so what's the window made out of? Glass. And why was the glass a good thing to make a window with? To see, because it's clear. Would you like to make a window with bricks?
No.
No, why not?
Because you can't see.
That's right. All right, what's another thing? Another object. Yes?
Like you make something object.
Can you say it again, Kate?
Little louder?
When you make something, it's an object.
When you make something.
Yes, that's right. Do you see an object in here, in this picture? Just 1 second. Get to you right next. All right, what's the object you see?
There's an object.
What is that?
A jump rope.
A jump rope. What do you think a jump rope's made out of?
Jump.
It could